play. D is for dinosaur, roaring all day. E is for engine, chugging along. F is for feather, light as a song. G is for garden, where flowers bloom. H is for helicopter, wishing but soon. I is for island, with palm trees so green. J is for jump, the best you've seen. K is for key, that opens the door. L is for lion, with unmighty roar. M is for mountain, tall and wide. N is for nest, where birds hide. O is for octopus, deep in the sea. P is for parrot, chirping with glee. Q is for question, asking why. R is for rocket, zooming to the sky. S is for snowman, cold and white. T is for train, chugging at night. U is for unicorn, magical and bright. V is for violin, playing just right.